What if I told you that one of the smartest minds on Earth belongs to a bird? Not a parrot, not an eagle, a raven. For centuries, ravens have been surrounded by myths, fear, and mystery, symbols of death, messengers of the unknown. But behind the dark legend hides something far more disturbing: extreme intelligence. Ravens can solve complex, multi-step problems. They use tools. They plan ahead. They understand cause and effect. In laboratory tests, ravens perform on the same level as great apes and even young human children. They can remember human faces for years. If a raven considers you a threat, it won't forget, and it won't forgive. Ravens communicate constantly with calls, gestures, and body language. They can warn others about danger and even teach younger birds who to trust and who to avoid. But their intelligence goes even deeper. Ravens have been observed pretending to hide food just to mislead other ravens watching them. They understand deception. They understand strategy. They understand time. Some ravens will wait for the perfect moment before acting, as if thinking several moves ahead. Their brains are small, but incredibly dense, packed with neurons, designed not for instinct alone, but for problem solving. A raven doesn't just survive the world, it studies it. This is not just a bird, not a symbol, not a myth. This is one of the most intelligent animals ever to share the planet with humans, and it's been watching us for a very long time.